My me, I'm in my prime.
Yeah, you look it.
You must be Ringo. Look, darling.
So let me give you a sneak peek into our dance practice sessions. This is how we practiced. आणि समूह आम्हाला शिकवायची how to dance. Here as you can see, आर्घ्य एका पडद्यामागे लपलाय आणि मिहीर अवकाडो टोस्ट बनवत डान्स करतोय. सो दॅट्स आवर डेडिकेशन लेवल. सर्व त्याच्या हॉस्टेलमध्ये प्रॅक्टिस करतोय आणि आता तुम्ही बघणार आहात हाऊ वी प्रॅक्टिस जस्ट 1 day बिफोर द anniversary celebration. We are practicing for moms and dads 25th anniversary.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी.
How was your practice?
Very good.
Very nice.
You enjoyed?
Yeah.
तुला गाणं आवडलं का आपले?
Best. Yeah.
स्टेप्स चांगले होते. गाणी जरी ऑलरेडी हे असले.
कोरिओग्राफी कशी आहे?
एक नंबर.
आणि कोरिओग्राफर्स?
थँक्स टू सॅम अँड वैभवी.
फ्री कोरिओग्राफर्स. तुला काय बोलावं असं वाटतं तुला?
Not really, but the choreographers are irritating.
काय irritating?
No comment.
Agastya, you want to say something about the choreographers? Today's choreographers?
There was no choreographer today.
Excuse me?
Actually,
The choreographer.
we watched from the video and then we danced. Yes. Universal truth.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
These days feeling like the elite to nothing. On the freeway driving around the country.